Hello, good morning to all. My name is Hastat Anzar. My highest qualification is MTech in Thermal Engineering. I have qualified GATE 4 times with more than 95 percentile. I have completed graduation in Mechanical Engineering with first division and honors, that is 79%. I have 3 years of experience of teaching, out of which 1.5 year I have taught in Mechanical Department, Pakul Polytechnic College in Mechanical Department, and 1.5 years I have taught to the students in my local area to the coaching in local coaching the subject which was mathematics. So without getting delayed, we start a demo lecture on the topic sequence and series. In this topic, we will learn the two concepts, the concepts of quadratic equation and the concept of geometric progression, which of course comes in sequence and series. This is GP called geometric progression, and this is the concept of quadratic equation. So let us start and read the questions. So first of all, we will know about the question, what the question is. If k and l are the roots of the equation x square minus 3x plus p equal to 0, that is k and l are the roots of the equation x square minus 3x plus p equal to 0, and m and n, this m and n are the roots of the equation x square minus 12x plus q equal to 0, where the most important is where k, l, m and n are in GP, that is the root of the equation, two roots of equation this and two root of this equation, all the four roots are in GP, such that k, l, m and n are in GP. We have to prove that q plus p by q minus p equal to 17 by 15. This is a very important and basic question of sequence series. Now let us consider first quadratic. First quadratic is what is x square minus 3x plus p equal to 0. Now roots are what? K and L are roots. So as we know that sum of roots, what if the quadratic equation, we know ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If it has two roots alpha and beta, then alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a, and alpha into beta is what? C by a. Here we will use these two concepts. So k and l are the two roots of the equations. So k plus l will be what? K plus l will be equal to minus of minus 3 by 1, that is equal to 3, and k into l will be what equal to p by 1 equal to 1. So we will get what we get, k plus l equal to 3 and k into l equal to 1, sorry, p. Now second equation, we will consider the second equation as like this is second equation. What is the second equation? X square minus 12x plus q equal to 0. It has two roots. What are the two roots are? M and n. Then what will be? M plus n will be equal to minus of minus 12 by 1. As we know, minus b by a. Here already minus, so minus into minus equal to plus equal to 12. Now m into n will be what? Q by 1, C by a. Here a is 1 equal to Q. So we get four equations. First equation is this, second equation is this, third equation is this, and fourth equation is this. Now we will have to find from these four equations what is the value of P and what is the value of Q. So hope we will rub this and then we will write in a fresh manner four equations and their concepts. So let us proceed. What is the first equation? What was? K plus L equal to 3. Second was what? K into L equal to P. Third was M plus N equal to 12. M into N equal to what? We will simply write Mn. Q. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will use the concept of GP. K, L, M, N and R GP. Let us consider K as first term. First term K. Then second term will be k into r, where r is what? R equal to common ratio, which is equal to what? Second term by first term, and third term by second, as we know this r is a common ratio. Second term will be k into r. What is k into r equal to what? L. Now we will find these two. K plus L is what? K plus L equal to 3. The k plus k into r equal to 3. Now we will take common k. K into 1 plus r equal to 3. This is equation number 5. We got k into 1 plus r equal to 3. Now from these two, equation number 3rd and 4th, m will be what? As we know the k, l, m and r, g, p. The m is third term. Third term will be what? Equal to a into, here a is what? K into r square, and n will be equal to fourth term, and n is equal to what? K into r cube. From where we know that Tn equal to what? A r ka power n minus 1. So here what? N is fourth term, so T4 equal to what? N minus 1 what? R ka power 4 minus 1 and k into r ka power 3. Here is k and r is r and n is 4. Now we will understand m plus n equal to 12. We can write m equal to what? Kr square. N equal to what? Kr cube. This is what equal to 12. From here we can take out kr square common. So 1 plus r equal to 12. This is equation number 6. From this equation we get there 1 plus r, k here, k here. So what is this? We can write k into 1 plus r into r square equal to 12. From here we can write, now k into 1 plus r is what? 3. We can write 3 into r square equal to 12. 3 4 is 12, then r square equal to 4. And r equal to what? Root over 4. This will be equal to what? Plus minus 2. Now we will consider the case when r equal to 2, then what will the value of k, l, m and r, and when r equal to minus 2, what will the value of k, l, m and r. Now hope we have understand. Now we will replace this. So from here we can write this. What is k? K is the volume. K equal to first term. It will be equal to k. When r equal to 2, when the r will be 2, then L will become what? L equal to what is k into r equal to 2k. M will be what? Equal to k into r square equal to k into 2 square equal to 4k. N will be what? Equal to k into r cube equal to k into 2 cube equal to 8k. Now we will find q plus p and q balance. As we know that we have written that q was what? Equal to, what was q equal to? K into L. Sorry, p was what? Equal to k into L was equal to p. K into L is what? 2k equal to p. It means that 2k square equal to p. Q is what? M into n. Q is equal to m into n. M is what? K into, m is what? K into r square, and 4k. It is what? Equal to 4k, and n is what? Equal to 8k. It is what? Equal to 8 for the 32 into k into k. It means 32k square. Now we have to find q plus p value. Here q is what? 32k square. P is what? 2k square. Q is what? 32k square. Now from here we will find q plus p and by q minus p. So this is q plus p by q minus p. What is the value of q? 32k square. What is the value of p? Plus 2k square. What is the value of q? 32k square. Minus, what is the value of p? 2k square. 32 plus 2k square, as we know that 34k square. What is 32 plus 34k square? And 32k minus 2k will equal to 30k square. K square is common. This will be cut. Now we will have 34 by 30. This can be written as 17 into 2 by 15 into 2, as 2 is common into both terms. Then 2 is cancelled. That is 17 by 15. Proved. So let us see where, when the case R was 2, we have proven that q plus p by q minus p equal to 17 by 15. Here is the complete concept. Now when R equal to minus 2, what will the answer? Is the term 17 by 15 comes? Is q plus p by q minus p equal to 17 by 15 or not? We will solve and find whether it is equal or not. Now when R equal to minus 2, then when R equal to minus 2, k first term will be first term, second term L equal to k into R equal to minus 2k. Now M will be back equal to, M is third term, k into R square, k into minus 2k square, minus 2 into 2 equal to 4k square. When and n will be equal to what? K into r cube, k into minus 2 cube equal to minus 8k. Here is this. Now similarly we will write q. What is what? Q is equal to m into n. This will be equal to 4k into minus of 8k. It means minus 32k square. And what will be p? We will equal to k into l. What is k? K is k. L is what? K into r. What is L? Is minus 2k equal to minus 2k square. Now q plus p. Here we have to find the value of q plus p by q minus p. Q plus p by q minus p will be what equal to? Here the value of q, we will put minus 32k square and minus 2k p plus p plus minus 2k square, and then q minus p. What is q? Minus 32k square minus minus 2k square. Minus 32 minus 2 equal to what? Minus 34k square. Minus 32k square minus minus plus 2k square equal to what? Minus 34k square by minus 30k square. K square cuts, minus minus also equal to plus. Here it is what? 34 by 30. This is what equal to 34 by 30 what equal to 17 into 2 by 15 into 2, that is equal to 17 by 15. Therefore q plus p by q minus p equal to 17 by 15. Hence we have proved that in both the case, when r equal to 2 or when r equal to minus 2, the ratio of q plus p by q minus p always comes to 17 by 15, that is 7 into 15. So here is a demo lecture, and hope you have understand the concept very easily. In this lecture we have understand the concept of quadratic equation and the concept of geometric progression. Hope this lecture finds you good and you have understand completely. Okay, thank you so much for considering. Thank you.